Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here, and today we will be doing an unboxing and installation of an item I ordered from Costco. I saw that it was on sale, and I wanted to test it out to see if it was any good. It is well, here you go. I ordered two of them. They fit in one box right there, and it is the super bright 3-panel LED garage light. So we'll go into my garage. I'll show you my current light that I have right now. It is I think 5,000 Kelvin daylight bulb from Costco. And I want to see if it's going to actually be a big difference compared to this 3-panel one. I'm assuming it's going to be because it is also, well, let's pop it out. There we go. Get that out. So it's saying it's a super bright, so that alone should tell me a lot that it should be nice and bright, and it's a 2-pack and 8,000 lumens. So it sounds bright. And in the pictures, there and there, it looks like it's pretty bright. 10 times brighter than a 60 watt. Okay, cool. So we'll check it out. Let's open this box up, see what we got inside. Put that outside. Let's check all the sides first. Fully adjustable, garage light, easy installation. And that's why I got it, because it's supposed you could use the same existing connection that you put in a light bulb. Right now I have like a floodlight, you'll see in a bit, and you should just be able to just connect it right into the original housing there. So I thought it was nice and simple. Let's see what we got inside. Come on, there we go. So we got the manual. It's pretty thin. Use and care guide. Retrofit. Come on, let's open it up. All right. Got in English here. Follow instructions. Pretty much unscrew original, rescrew the new one that's packed in, tighten, it should be done. That's all it is. Very simple. All right. The back looks good. And this is what we got inside. So it looks like I got them individually bagged, side by side of each other. There's no other, I guess there's some type of divider, I guess there. Oh, there we go. Pop them out just like that. Not too much cushion, so hopefully, I mean, they're LED, so they should be able to withstand some movement and all that. But here we go, out of the bag. They did say it is adjustable, and there it is. See, look at that. That's nice and neat. I'm going to try just doing it flat, straight flat onto the, so just like my current floodlights, it's shooting straight down. And obviously, if I need to adjust, I'll adjust, need be. But let's just leave it nice and flat. It looks cool. It is nice that you can easily bend it, though. Let's see how far it goes. Oh, wow. It goes a full 90. Look at that. Full 90 degrees for the lights to go out. That's very interesting. All right, cool. So flat, flat, flat. Flip it over. And you can see there, just like a regular light bulb, or the floodlight that I have now, we're just going to screw it in there and see what it is. Let's walk into the garage and show you what I currently have. All right, so here we are in my garage. You can see that the garage is fairly lit. It does have 3 light bulbs, floodlights actually, and all 3 of them are the 5,000 Kelvin daylight light bulbs from the Costco pack that they were selling there. But you can see that there is shadowing and everything on this side of the garage. I usually use the garage obviously for parking the cars and for the gym that I have over here. So it does, if we look down, you can see that there is like good shadowing everywhere. I mean, it's not horrible lighting, right? But it is it is a fairly dim for the space, I would say. This is the main light that I usually use when I have to work out down here. In the evenings, you can see outside, it is night fully night. So this is probably the brightest it will get in here. And this is what I'm going to be testing pretty much, what that new bulb and how bright it's going to get in here. So I'll just do one at a time. I'll change this one out right here, and then I'll leave the other two, and then we can do a comparison of how bright difference. And if I decide to keep it, I know I got 2 total 4. I usually get 1 extra just in case I do decide to keep it, in case one burns out for whatever reason. And if I do keep them, I'll probably just change out the one up there and the one over there, because that's where all the tools are and everything. But I'll get the ladder, install it, and then we'll check it out. Hey guys, all right, back. So I got my ladder. I took out the original bulb that was on there. Like I said, it was a 5,000 Kelvin light bulb from a daylight light bulb from Costco, and I replaced it. And look at that. That is a massive difference. Whew. Nicole helped me out. She held the ladder for me, passed me the bulb, and I wish I was actually 2 inches taller because it was quite difficult for me to screw it in there. And it was a nice simple screw. It did have an off and on switch on the side of it. Luckily, I left it on the on switch before. That would have sucked, yeah. But I was talking to Nicole. I was like, it's bright and it looks good, but is it too bright? Like, does it need to be this bright? I mean, yeah, I have my gym equipment. This is where I work out, in the evenings. But if you see here on the other side, where I was telling you on the other side of the garage, it is dimmer.
Yeah, but why would you need a bunch of light over there?
I don't know, tools? The tools are over there.
Yeah, but what work are you going to be doing at night?
You're right.
I think that one is enough over here in the gym area. I don't think you need to do the whole garage.
So just one.
Yeah, I think one is fine.
Is it a keeper?
Yeah, I mean, I like it.
It is nice and bright. That is for sure.
So the package contains 2?
2, yep. 2 per package. And it's the super bright 3-panel LED garage light. And man, that is no joke. It is much, much brighter than previously.
Oh, so it's specifically a garage light. Does that mean that we can't use it anywhere else now? Oh, it does.
No. Yeah, you can use it wherever. It has the same screws that you can fit any socket in any light fixture. Mm-hmm. So it should fit just fine. And obviously the actual housing has to fit in the housing, or the light has to fit in the housing. But yeah.
Oh, that's bright. I started looking up at it. I'm like, oh.
Is it? That's what I was saying. Is it too bright? Is it too bright?
Fine.
Like, do you think
it's fine for your workout space, but I don't think you need the whole garage lit up to the 6 then.
So yeah, I guess I'll return one box and just keep one, since there's 2, and if it burns out eventually, I'll just swap it out.
Do you think we can use them outside, or are they not for exterior use?
I'm not sure. I don't know if they're.
Yeah, because it's saying garage warehouse.
So it's probably just interior use.
It's like interior use only.
Because probably it would say exterior use, because I'm sure these would be very popular for the outside.
Is there another space in the house that needs to be this bright?
Not this bright. I mean, not that I know of.
No, right?
Not this bright. This is bright.
The attic?
I can't look up there. No, these bulbs are bright enough for the attic, because there's only one spot there. Yeah. And we don't even go up there, so there's no point.
No, I was saying, since you've got a 2-pack.
No, I'll just keep it just in case this one burns out. That's why I keep one.
Sounds like a plan.
So I'll return the other one, and I'll just use it for this one section of the garage for the gym. Everything else will just stay nice and normal. It does actually brighten up the rest of the gym.
Yeah, it's so bright that it brightens the whole room anyway.
Yeah, so I'm going to keep it. All right, you guys, so I did get this item on sale. That's why I picked it up. It was actually $10 off. Original price was $49.99, and I got it for $39.99. So it is bright, as everyone can see. We are going to keep one box. I'll return the other one because it only needs one in this garage for sure. Hey, so something that I noticed and I wanted to bring up real quickly is that the new LED garage light that I put in takes a second to turn on compared to the other bulbs. It probably makes no difference at all. I mean, you'll see here. Oh, that time it turned on immediately. Oh, I can't see it on camera. There you go. You saw that? It takes like a second more to turn on. Not a big issue, just something I wanted to bring up and show y'all. And if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And again, this was the this is the 3-panel LED garage light that I purchased at Costco. Talk to you guys later. Bye.